This is a ConceptDraw diagram file. It's a competitor to Visio. You can use the ConceptDraw viewer to see the flow charts without buying a license. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a CDD file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A CDD file is a drawing or diagram created using ConceptDraw PRO, a business diagramming and mind mapping software. It stores vector graphics, text, and other objects arranged to create flowcharts, organizational charts, network diagrams, and other visual representations of information. CDD files are used for professional documentation and presentations. The CDD format is a proprietary vector graphics format specific to ConceptDraw PRO. It supports layers, object properties, and various diagramming tools within the software. CDD files can be exported to other formats like PDF, SVG, and raster image formats for wider compatibility. The format is designed for creating visually appealing and informative diagrams. The anticipated software for loading CDD is ConceptDraw PRO created by CS Odessa. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows lacks full 3D visualization support, so full review needs engineering-grade CAD software. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your CDD file and selecting Open With. Use ConceptDraw PRO if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the CDD file opens. If your CDD file isn't cooperating, don't worry. General troubleshooting won't work on this CDD file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, use ConceptDraw. Open the file using ConceptDraw PRO, the required application for the diagram. Next, check version. Ensure your ConceptDraw version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF SVG. Use the software's export function to save the diagram as a universal format like .pdf or SVG. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.